Go to ftx.com and click on Register. Type in your email and pick a password. Agree with the terms. Use our referral code. Click link in description. Fill in your basic info. Type in your phone number and click on Send Code. Write down verification code from your message. Click on Settings button. Change your two-FA method from SMS to Google Authenticator. Search Authy and download the software. Choose your country, type in your phone number. Type in the 6-digit code from your message. Click Add. Copy the setup key from FTX to Authy app. Write name and click Save. Write the code from Authy back to FTX. Click on Send SMS. Write the code from your phone back to FTX. You have successfully changed your two-FA method. Now click on Identity Verification. If you don't have a camera, choose Complete on mobile device. Type in your phone number and click Send Link. Click on the link on your phone. Choose between driver's license, identity card, or your passport. Upload the documents pictures from your phone. Settings/Safari, turn on camera and microphone access. Allow camera to take your pictures. Wait for FTX to process your submitted documents.